Today we'll be showing you how to set up your Miller ArcCapture and ArcCapture with Wi-Fi cameras. Now we'll show you how to mount the camera onto the Miller mounting arm, which is sold separately. The process is exactly the same, whether you have the Miller ArcCapture arm with Wi-Fi or without Wi-Fi, it is exactly the same. First, there is a 1/4 inch hole in the bottom of the camera, which you screw onto the Miller mounting arm. Screw that on until it's nice and tight. Little screw up here that you can back screw into the camera to lock into position. On the bottom of the arm, there's this C clamp, which you can use to clamp onto tables, or in this case, we'll mount it onto a peg. Screw that down nice and tight. Lastly, there's this screw on the joint that when you loosen it up, it frees up all the joints so you can position the camera to look at your workpiece. You can screw this right hand thread to tighten it up. And this will come into play a little bit later when we're finalizing the angle of the camera to point at the workpiece that we are working on. Next, we're going to start hooking up the cables to the cameras. So first, we're going to start with this SDI coaxial cable. You can use this for both cameras, but it's optional, the ArcCapture camera with Wi-Fi. You don't need to use it if you're running this camera in Wi-Fi mode. So first, we're going to get the smaller end of the cable, and we're going to screw it into the back of the camera, just like that. And then the larger end goes to this converter box. This converter box is what you use for the output to a TV or a computer or some sort of monitor. So it has an HDMI and a USB output, as well as your power input to power the converter box. Next is the power cord. The power cord is this guy, and it's required to run both cameras. To install it is you take the one end, you line it up with the connector on the back, you tighten it down until it's secure, just like that. So now that we have the power hooked up to the camera, now we have to give power to the converter box. To do that, you grab your power cable in your converter box, and right next to the HDMI and the USB is the input location for the converter box. Take your cable and plug it in. So now that your ArcCapture camera is all hooked up, if you have any additional questions or require any further information, refer to your owner's manual.